Once upon a time, in a small town filled with quiet streets and tired faces, lived a young man named Aslam. Every day he woke before sunrise, hoping the morning light would chase away the heaviness in his chest. But life had been hard on him lately. His job felt unstable, his savings were fading, and the goals he once carried proudly now felt like stones in his pockets. Still, something inside him whispered that he could not give up, not yet, not ever. Aaron tried to ignore that soft voice at first. He felt worn out, as if the world was testing how far he could bend before breaking. Each evening he sat alone on an old wooden bench outside his small apartment. He watched people pass by laughing, walking fast, living their lives while he felt stuck in the same place. But one night, as the sky turned orange and the day slowly melted into dusk, an old friend named Mira walked by. She noticed the sadness in his eyes and stopped. "Aslam," she asked gently, "why do you look so defeated?" Her question cracked something open inside him. He told her everything: the fear, the pressure, the feeling that no matter how much he tried, nothing was changing. Mira listened quietly. She didn't interrupt, didn't offer empty advice, didn't judge. When he finished speaking, she sat down beside him and said something simple, yet powerful. "You're not losing, you're learning. Hard times don't push you down, they shape you." Her words hit him deeply. For a moment he felt seen, understood, and no longer alone. Mira told him a habit that helped her during tough days: begin small. Do one good thing every morning, not a big thing. Just one thing that reminds you that life can move forward again. Aslam didn't believe it would help, but he had nothing to lose. So the next morning, he woke and made his bed. A simple task. It took less than a minute. But for the first time in weeks, he felt a tiny spark of control. The next day, he stood outside for a few minutes to breathe fresh air before work. Then he started writing down one positive thing that happened each day, a habit. Mira called collecting small wins. Slowly, without even noticing, Aaron began to change.